Hi, I've been making games for more than 20 years, and in all that time, I've been fascinated by games characters and avatars. The reason for this is because I believe that if you do it right, nothing works better than a game character as the magic bridge that leads people into the virtual world you build. I'm Jolyon Webb, and I'm the head of technical art at Unit 2 Games. We're a metagame studio based in Leamington Spa in the UK, and this talk is about how a small team of our technical artists and engineers worked to integrate meta avatars into our existing games platform, which is called Crayta. Crayta is a free games making environment released in 2020. Crayta's aim is to democratize game making. And so the heart of Crayta is all about user-generated content and enabling new game makers to express themselves and collaborate together. We've built up a highly engaged community who've made thousands of wildly different and inventive games. So let's have a quick look at Crayta and show some of the Crayta avatars. From the start of Crayta, our three key values have been to build community, collaboration, and creativity. These three values really do need to be at the heart of any platform that's going to focus on user-generated content. And also, these values work as a general manifesto for metaverse experiences. So, welcoming meta avatars into Crayta was exciting. Enabling a meta avatar to jump into our platform to explore and create felt totally like what we imagined the metaverse to be. And it supported our three key values. New avatars help build community. A larger community builds collaboration. More community and collaboration is a great environment to allow creativity to flourish. The appeal for building a bridge to bring meta avatars into Crayta was clear. But the team had some questions. There were visual fit and feel questions. The style for Crayta and meta avatars is different. How would the meta avatars fit and feel in the Crayta worlds? There were engineering questions. What were the steps to bring the meta avatars into a different platform? Let's explore the visual fit and feel first. The Crayta and meta avatars are different, and that completely makes sense because they were designed separately to serve different goals on different platforms. Meta avatars have a focus on self. Their intent is to let you authentically represent yourself. This self-expression has lots of opportunities for customization through clothing and accessories, and these options are based in realism. So, the user's self-expressed identity is rooted in the real world. The Crayta avatars have less of a focus on authentically representing yourself. Their intent is more about transformation. This is a cosplay or a gamey expression of self, with the option to move totally away from a real-world self to become a robot or an alien, for example. As game developers, we had a good understanding of transformative avatars. An avatar that's an authentic expression of self, though, was quite new to us. To get a feel for these new avatars, we did something really simple. The team created meta avatars, and we started running our morning stand-ups in Meta Horizon workrooms. This taught us a lot. We began to really identify with our own meta avatars and to recognize the other meta avatars we saw in the meeting as our real teammates. As early tests began to work and we saw the team's meta avatars appear in Crayta, we felt that same sense of recognition. This was a new type of identity for us in Crayta, and we valued it. Looking at the technical questions, the Crayta platform and the Meta platform are different. However, under the hood, we found there are also a lot of commonalities between the avatars in Crayta and Meta. This meant we were able to use the Meta Avatars SDK and successfully work with its functionality to integrate the Meta Avatars into the Crayta platform. This put the Meta Avatars right into the heart of the Crayta worlds. We'd wanted to welcome the Meta Avatars into Crayta and to have them live great lives there, to run, jump, climb, explore, and fully interact with the new worlds. This is what the results look like. We were really pleased with how Meta Avatars in Crayta have turned out and how well we felt they fitted into the world. We were also pleased with how our key value of building community was supported. Adding Meta Avatars really has built another bridge to welcome a larger and more varied community into Crayta. Crayta's two other key values are building collaboration and creativity. With the Meta Avatars welcomed into Crayta, they can join in and collaborate and create as game makers and world builders there. Here's an example of Meta Avatars building a world in Crayta. From the start in Crayta, the team has always looked at ways to maximize the avatar's expression of personality through emote animations and themed spawns into the world. The Meta Avatars in Crayta share this functionality. Let's have a look. So, bringing the new look and identity and Meta Avatars to Crayta has enriched Crayta. The effort has been totally worth it, and it's been a lot of fun. The one key piece of advice I would give is this. If your team is thinking of integrating Meta Avatars into your product, start using the Meta Avatars yourself first. It's absolutely the best way to learn about their appeal and potential. As I said at the beginning, I believe avatars act as the bridge to pull your audience into the virtual worlds you build. But in the past, I've been used to doing this with one avatar type per platform. One avatar type equals one bridge. It's been super fun to learn that you can actually build more than one bridge to your worlds. And welcoming the meta avatars into Crayta has done exactly this. The meta avatars gain the freedom to explore and create in a new platform, and avatar variety and community grows within Crayta. This cross-platform travel really does feel like a metaverse experience, and it's happening soon. We really hope you'll be part of it, and that when we release, you'll take your meta avatar and jump into Crayta. We would love you to try it out and hope that soon we see you out there exploring and making games in the metaverse.